In our previous video, we discussed how using anonymous accounts and practicing minimal sharing can go a long way in protecting your privacy on social media. Today, as promised, we're taking it a step further. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the privacy settings on social media platforms, starting with one of the biggest platforms, Instagram, so you can take control of your personal data, minimize tracking, and limit how much information you unknowingly share with advertisers. Let's dive right in. Remember, these steps can also be followed on the Instagram mobile app. The layout may vary slightly, but the options remain the same. So from your Instagram profile, go to Settings. On the left side, go to Account Privacy. Consider making your account private so that only followers you approve can see what you share. Additionally, a public account exposes your activity to everyone, including advertisers, bots, data scrapers, and even people who might misuse your content. Next, go to Messages and Story Replies. Make sure Show Activity Status is off. If this is on, anyone you follow or message can see when you were last active. This can be used to profile your behavior or patterns. Disabling it gives you more control over your presence. Now, go to Tags and Mentions. Select Manually Approve Tags. This prevents random users or advertisers from tagging you in posts to gain attention or spread unwanted content. You get to choose what appears on your profile. Next, go to Website Permissions. Remove any app or website connected to your Instagram account. These apps can access your data, monitor your behavior, and in some cases, even post on your behalf. Disconnect anything you don't fully trust. Now the most important stuff is inside Privacy Center. Here, Privacy Checkup takes you to your Facebook account, which we have covered up in the Facebook Privacy Guide video, whose link in the description if you missed it. Click on Review Settings and enter Account Center by clicking on Manage in Account Center and then Manage Your Profiles. If you have already visited this page in Facebook Privacy Guide video, then this can be skipped. Otherwise, continue to Add Preferences and then Add Settings. Under Ad Experience, select Less Personalized Ads. Meta uses your behavior, interests, and connections to build detailed profiles and show hyper-targeted ads. Choosing less personalized ads reduces the extent to which your data is mined. These settings may seem buried or hard to find, and that's by design. Big tech companies make money off your data, so it's up to you to take control. Take 5 minutes today to lock down your Instagram privacy, because the longer your data is out there, the harder it is to control.